to Craftbuld. Today is episode, I don't know, 5. Yeah, 5. Today, what we gonna do? You don't know what is this yet? Click like in the comment and down below, and I'm gonna wait for that. And yeah, let's get started for build. Today, what we gonna build is YouTuber. Yeah, I remember YouTuber. Okay, what we gonna build? Yes, we're gonna build YouTuber. I don't know YouTubers that. It's me. Okay, my old skin YouTuber. Okay, what? My old skin YouTuber. I forgot. Oh God, damn! I forgot my skin. Damn. Never mind. We're gonna do slime now. Slime. We did that, and that. So fuck yes, this. Okay, let's get started. Where do they build this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. Right there. We're gonna build slime. Like that. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of block. So this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Yeah, 6 should be no. What again? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 10, and then you did that. Fuck. Play. And do that is same thing, and one again. I mean, 3 more of block. 1, 2, 3, like that, and these two. 1, 2, 3, 3. Good. What? Okay, like this. You feel it? You feel it, you are a bitch. Yeah, like that. Like this. Alright. Like this, I do it, baby. Like square little thing. And we need, I don't know, slime it is. Wait, let me spawn it. Get fence. Get spawning. A slime. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. What is it like? Alright. Wait! Don't move! I just want to see you. Damn, this demon suck. You make me no choice. Break slime. Stupid slime. Fuck, seriously? Get out. What? Oh, this is perfect. Like, where did they go? 1, 2, 3. 3 block right there. And goodbye, slime. I don't need you more. You wanna spawn in? Never. I just missed that. That's horrible. Yeah. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 1 there. So problem. And go up like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Good. I like that. And one more, I think. No, yes. No, like this. Yeah, like this. Oh, that's slime. So we gonna feel that. Feel it like a beach. Oh God, this is gonna be hard. Come on. Maybe next time we can build something awesome as powerful randomly, not just Minecraft. Oh yeah guys, I'm gonna start my random thing. What the this bullshit? Come on, I keep break the thing. The block. I mean the thing. Yeah, the thing. What? I don't like that woman. Seriously? Son of a dog dick. Ooh. Why Tap keep doing it to me? That's mean. Seriously, I'm gonna go to my mom and say I love my dog. Just kidding. Maybe this look nice. Yeah, look nice. This look nice. One, two, three. Okay, right there. Like that. Ish. That like that. There. The slimy slime. The big that slime. I don't know. The final decision. Yeah. Maybe we can do this. Shit. Yeah. No. That's kinda awful, right? Awkward. Sorry, slimy. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't wanna break your stuff. I mean your body. Let's see. Episode 4. Episode 4. Slim Noob. Good. As you guys later to this episode. Oops. Sorry. Didn't I mean later? Never mind. I hope you enjoy and subscribe this video and like. And don't forget how many you want, how many of you there want subscribe, and yeah, you wanna like this short, you wanna like that, like video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.